2-inch trimless round recessed LED from Lotus LED Lights. 2-inch recessed LED with integral driver in connection box. 5 CCT User Selectable 2700 Kelvin to 5000 Kelvin. 820 lumen to 985 lumen output. Designer Series High Performance Fixture. CRI 90+ for true color rendering. Triac Dimmable down to 10%. "5-inch thick. Install where ceiling space is limited." Default beam angle 38 degrees. Optional beam angle 24 degrees. Type IC rated. No housing required. Wet location approved. Fast and easy to install. Save on labor. Driver inside connection box. No junction box needed. Available accessories. Mounting plates. Low voltage extension cables for remotely mounting the driver. Other colors of reflectors available by custom order. ETL and ENERGY STAR certified 5-year warranty.